Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of technology to explore something that's at the heart of modern manufacturing and our digital lives: semiconductors. These tiny components, often referred to as microchips or integrated circuits, are the unsung heroes behind our smartphones, laptops, and even the infrastructure that powers the internet. In this video, we'll uncover the mysteries of semiconductors, their crucial role in various industries, and the global race to secure their production. So, if you're curious to understand the building blocks of our digital world, make sure to stick around until the end. Introduction. Imagine a world without smartphones, laptops, or even the internet. It's hard to fathom, right? But have you ever wondered what makes these devices tick? The answer lies in the incredible world of semiconductors. These minuscule fragments of raw materials, like silicon, undergo a process called doping, transforming them into electronic wizards that can either conduct or block electricity. This binary behavior allows them to communicate using the language of ones and zeros, forming the backbone of modern computing. But here's the kicker: even though they're small enough to fit on your fingertip, modern microchips can pack in more transistors than all the stones in the Great Pyramid of Giza. This mind-boggling processing power drives the advanced technologies we rely on daily. As if that's not enough, the semiconductor industry, valued at a staggering $500 billion, is projected to double by 2030. Now, let's unravel the secrets of semiconductors and understand how they're used across various fields. Powering the digital revolution. Semiconductors are the unsung heroes of the digital revolution. Our smartphones, laptops, and countless electronic devices depend on their intricate capabilities. These microchips are the foundation of modern computing, enabling us to connect, compute, and communicate seamlessly. They're also the backbone of the internet, present in routers, switches, and communication infrastructures that keep us globally connected. Sustainability and beyond. Beyond personal devices, semiconductors play a crucial role in sustainability efforts. Wind turbines and solar farms rely on these components to harness clean energy. In the realm of healthcare, semiconductors find their way into medical devices and implantable technology like pacemakers and insulin pumps, enhancing and saving lives. The global chip race. Now, who's responsible for producing these extraordinary components? Currently, Taiwan dominates the semiconductor landscape, with Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, providing over half of the world's supply. They're the backbone of giants like AMD, Apple, and Nvidia. However, disruptions caused by the pandemic and geopolitical tensions are reshaping the industry's dynamics. The US and China are engaged in a fierce chip war, impacting the production landscape. The race for dominance. The race for semiconductor dominance is heating up. While TSMC remains a major player, the US and South Korea are actively investing to reshape the industry's landscape. With colossal sums being poured into technology manufacturing, the US aims to secure its chip production. Similarly, the European Union is entering the fray with initiatives like the European Chips Act, injecting €43 billion into the industry until 2030. In conclusion, semiconductors, the unsung heroes of modern technology, are the driving force behind our interconnected world. From personal devices to sustainable energy solutions, their impact is undeniable. As the global landscape shifts, the race for semiconductor dominance continues to unfold, reshaping the future of technology. We hope this video has shed light on the critical role of semiconductors in our lives and piqued your curiosity about the intricate world of electronics. If you're as fascinated as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more engaging content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our digital universe.